Let's go through the code 250 case largest element in array. So there is an integer nums. Let's find the case largest number in this array. So we need to have do the time complexity as big as we can. Right? So in order to have ON time complexity, there are two ways. One is bucket sorting. Another is quick select. So for this one, if we use bucket sort, it will have ON time complexity as well. There is another question. The case most frequency element or case frequent words. And for that one, we need to have a map to count the frequency first. So in that case, use bucket sort and the time complexity or quick select both will be ON. So this one, quick select will be a bit better because the space complexity, it does not need actual space, right? But let's write both to familiar how to write these questions. So the first method is write the bucket sort. Is we can have an int min equals integer dot max value, and the max equals integer dot min value. And let's see for int num in nums, we'll have min equals max dot min num, and the max equals max dot max num. So we need to have bucket to have every number can be put into it. So that will be to have the bucket to count the numbers. Bucket equals new int max minus min plus 1, right? So we count for each bucket for int nums. We'll have bucket num minus min plus 1. So then we count, right? Count until if there is tier 2 from 0, right? So for every bucket from the largest, and for int I equals to max, right? And I small equal to min I minus, right? So we'll have L plus equal to bucket I, right? So let's say if for this L greater equal to K, that means we find the case largest, return I, yeah. As well as in the end, return minus 1, yeah. Yes. Minus min, right? Because the index is from 0. So this is the ON time complexity and the ON space complexity. And to do the quick select, right? Quick select, what we do is that we have several. The quick select is written the case largest value. We pass in these nums, pass in the start, pass in the end, that is nums reference minus 1, right? And what we pass is index is I plus minus 1, right? So private int quick select have int nums, int start, int and also index, right? So index. So what we do is that if we start greater equal to end, we just return nums index, nums index. And what we do is we need to have a pivot, right? Pivot into pivot that equals nums start plus end minus start divided by 2, right? So what's a while start smaller equal to end. So here the thing is that if the number on the left is greater than pivot, right? So we just move the left pointer. So we'll have another while start small equal to end and nums left. If this is greater, right? Because we want to have the bigger one on the left. Then we'll keep moving. Let's have this, right? So int left equals start, right equals end, right? So let's do it, but because the start and end, it never move, right? So only left and right move. So what's a while left? Small equal to right, and then nums left greater than pivot, we'll have left plus, right? And we'll say while left smaller equal to right, and nums right smaller than pivot, then we'll have right minus, right? So I say if left smaller equal to right, we need that means and also left and right the 2 pointer they stopped, right? Stopped. That means the left number are smaller equal to pivot, and the right number is greater equal to pivot. In this case, we need to swap, right? Into temp equals nums left and nums left equals nums right, and also nums right equals temp. And then both left and right move one step, right? Right. Management. And so this is the while loop. After the while loop, this start, right? And this is the end. And the left will be one index to the right, right? Left will be here, right will be here, right? So this is right, this is left. So this depends on what is the index sitting. If indexing sitting in this range, we recursively call from start to right. If in this range, we recursively return this, right? And if it's here, right, just return index. So what we do is that if index smaller equal to, so now the right is on the one index of the left, right? So we just return quick the left start right nums, right? Nums start right index. And if index greater equal to left, return quick select nums. So we'll have left and index left. And otherwise it is there is no otherwise, right? So we can just write return nums index, right? the quick select time complexity is O in space is O1, right?